How to add music on Messenger Notes. Now, this is one of the features that is available on Meta's Instagram as well as Facebook Messenger. Now, unfortunately, in the area that I live in, it's not available for me to add music on it, but it's simple and easy, and it works the same way that it does on Instagram. What you're going to do is you're going to head on to Messenger and you're going to add it onto the note. Now, let's just say the thought is, I am hungry, or let's just say I'm craving pizza. And you can just simply start or share the note like this. And usually onto the updates, you have a feature to add in a song with it as well, which is not available for me, unfortunately. I believe the update has not worked out yet for me, but yeah, that is how you also add a song right here. You have the option to select or play a song into your notes, and that is going to be played for 24 hours. And you can either leave or delete a note or add another note after the existing note that you already have. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can add music onto your Messenger. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps.